Essay on Generation Gap. Introduction. When we talk about the generation gap, the very first thing that strikes our brain is it must be something about two very different people whose ages vary at least 10 years, or we may say a minimum of 10 years. Literal meaning of generation gap. Generation. The word generation has been originated from the Latin word generare, which was later taken as generate, which means to create or produce. Generate is a verb, whereas generation is a noun. Gap. Gap literally means a space or interval or a break in continuity. What actually the generation gap is? It is nothing more than having a contradicting point of view on several topics among the present generation and their previous generation. Generation gap takes place because a lack of attributes to make each other understand and agree on common grounds. It is considered as a very big issue by almost each and every person. It is a topic of conflict in one's own family. It often hollows the family. Now let us see a few examples of the generation gap. Common examples of generation gap. If our parents are not so much aware of the online studies that we often prefer to attend, then they might think that their ward is wasting his time over the internet. And here, if the ward is not able to make his parents understand the exact fact, then he may suffer from the generation gap. Number 2. We often see our grandparents believe in the tradition of getting their grandchildren married approx during the age of 18 to 25. But today there are many youngsters who don't believe in getting married so early. So here too they suffer from generation gap. Conclusion. From the above points discussed, we can conclude that no doubt the generation gap affects the relationship between people of two different generations. So we should try our best to establish a rapport between two different generations so that our relationship cannot be harmed. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.